There are other different types of search engines as well. Let's look at 3 more search engines that can help you get better information about your topic. The first one is Dogpile. That's a search engine that groups search results by category. So go ahead and try it. Try typing in Vasco da Gama. And after the results come up, I want you to notice the categories listed on the right-hand corner. You can use these categories to narrow your information. So go ahead, and what I want you to do on your paper is I want you to list the categories you might use to write a report about the life and accomplishments of Vasco da Gama. Another website, DuckDuckGo, is a search engine that allows you to type in a question rather than a search term. For example, if you wanted to know when Vasco da Gama reached India, you could ask a specific question and get more detailed information. So go ahead and try it. Go to www.duckduckgo.com and type in, when did Vasco da Gama reach India? How does the information you get differ from the information you got on the other search engines? What else do you notice on the left-hand side? How might this help you as well? Car2 is a search engine that shows your information in a map format. This helps you find multiple sites related to a specific topic. For example, it will show you several sites that give information on Vasco da Gama's voyages in Portugal. This search engine is especially helpful for people who would prefer to see their results in a graphic organizer instead of in a list. So go ahead and try it. Go to car2.com and type in Vasco da Gama. How might this site be more helpful than other sites? What about it makes it unique? And remember, you can pause this PowerPoint, pause the video, and answer the question on your worksheet. Some other helpful resources might be online encyclopedias. They're a great resource for research. Try the encyclopedias listed below and see what you think. Libraries are another place to find lots of useful information. Go ahead and take a look at these sites, or go ahead and go to the LA library system, and they have a ton of great information that you can use. So the next thing we want to look at is how to search on the internet. So now that we have looked at different types of search engines, we need to learn how to make the most of your search. Most search engines have something called an advanced search. An advanced search allows you to be more specific about what type of information you are looking for. When you visit a search engine, the advanced search page is a great place to start. So let's see how the advanced search option works. Go to google.com and click on advanced search to the right of the search box. Let's say you discover that some of your results are about the Vasco da Gama Hotel and vacations. You want to find out about the life of Vasco da Gama, but not about the hotel. In the advanced search menu, put Vasco da Gama in the box that says all of these words, and hotel and vacation in the box that says without the words. This will filter out the information you don't want. So smarter searching on the internet. Most internet search engines also allow you to use a set of words or symbols to narrow your search. And use this word when you want to find 2 words together. For example, Vasco da Gama and voyage. Or use this when you can accept a couple of words. For example, Vasco da Gama or European explorers. Use the minus sign when you want to exclude a word. For example, Vasco da Gama minus hotel. Quotations. You use quotation marks around words when you're searching for an exact phrase. For example, if you were searching for a book title, you could type The Voyage of Vasco da Gama in quotations, and the search engine will look for that exact phrase. So go ahead and try it. Go to Cacti Search, or if you'd like, go to Dogpile or DuckDuckGo. And I want you to try these steps. What would you type into the search box if you wanted to find out about the Vasco da Gama Church? What would you type into the search box if you wanted to find out about Vasco da Gama or any other Portuguese explorers? And what would you type into the search box if you want to find out about Vasco da Gama's voyages and also find a map of the countries where he landed? Go ahead and pause this video and do those for me right now. So the last thing that you need to think about is